morning. So I just wanted to come and show you guys how to do a simple bantu knot hairstyle on your wig. So pretty much what you guys would need is a comb, some hair clips, as well as some hairpins just in case you guys don't have any rubber bands. And I will be using an old spray bottle with some regular plain water in it. So pretty much all I'm going to do is just basically going to section off the wig and go from there. So when it came down to me spraying the wig down, I did not want the wig drenching wet. I just want the hair to be a little bit dampened, so it made it easier for me to twist and put the hair into a bantu knot. And all I'm doing is just twisting the hair counterclockwise. Now guys, this was my first time ever doing bantu knots. I never did bantu knots on my hair, like my natural hair. So this was pretty much, a trial and error for me. I had to pretty much find like my own technique on how to twist up the hair, and then pretty much once I was finished twisting up the hair, I had to make sure I got really close to the base, like the track of the wig, to make sure it was secure enough so the bantu knot wouldn't slip out. So enough of me rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini tutorial. Doing these bantu knots was really simple, really easy to do. So yeah, just enjoy the video and I'll talk to you guys later. So ladies, this is the final result of doing these Bantu knots. I feel like doing these Bantu knots, it gave the wig so much volume that I really wasn't feeling it. So I did go in with my hot comb section by section to try to make the roots as flat as possible. That's why I had the scarf on, but this is how it ended up turning out. I did notice the curls was a little bit frizzy, but I think that was a mistake on my end because I did not use any oil to separate the curls. But overall, this is going to be a look that I just have to get used to. But I feel like I did it an okay job. This was my first time trying. If you ladies enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment down below, hit that subscribe button as well as that bell. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.